Jay, guys, Forex came back at you with another video. Let me tell you something. Today has been a whirlwind. Today has been a whirlwind for me. Several elements of revenge trading. You guys saw me take arguably one of my biggest losses. Then I got back in, lost again. But you see where I'm at now. Up a little bit. We're going to see where this trade takes me. Now, remember my last video during this crazy candle. It's amazing how this crazy candle was so huge and then all of these add up to nothing. Whatever. I told you guys about this gap. That's what I'm paying attention to. Now, I see these averages. I'm going to be wise. It may or may not touch the gap during this particular trade, but at least I made it back for something. Damn. I was just up $75. Oh, I didn't want to record this. I should have just stayed out and just waited. But you know what? It's cool. I'd rather post imperfect videos versus try to pretend that I'm something that I'm not, So, especially with the averages, it's been going down. On the way down, hasn't been a perfect ride all the way down. It's been, when it hits certain levels, you see where you get a bullish candle try to impart their will. This crazy doji right here was a whirlwind. Too much trades today. One too many trades today. I honestly overtraded today. So this will be the last video. I may or may not do an analysis video. It's pretty clear. I let FOMO get ahead of me. I let lack of discipline take over. I should have been a little bit more patient. Execute a little bit better today. I overtraded a lot today. When my trades were losing, I should have cut them faster than what I really did. So those are the lessons that I learned today very quickly. Just overviewing the market. Now I'm just waiting for price action or a solid sign to get out the market. But at least I made back something. I'm not really trying to make back everything I lost. That would be a poor mindset to have. But I am looking at the upcoming levels. I was hoping it would push down a little bit further. I mean, there's 3 more minutes left in the 5-minute time. Yeah, 2 more minutes left in the time. 3 more minutes, sorry. 3 more minutes left in the time frame. This doji was a clear sign. This engulfing candle should be a clear enough sign as it is. Let me see if it pulls back. If it doesn't, I might just get out. It may do something of a retracement before it touches down, but overall, a decent rebound. I'll end the day with a win. How big of a win, we'll see. But at least I'll end the day with a win. Learn from today's mistakes. And then when I'm done, just go into the weekend, refresh myself, and then prepare for Monday. Let me see what happens. 2 more minutes in the time frame. But as you can see, on this particular trade down, it hasn't been a smooth downward trend. It's been bulls here, bulls impacted there, bulls there, bulls here. Bulls are clearly playing around here. So let's see what happens. I might record one really quick candle, but at least I came back on a winning note. How much I'll win, I don't know. We'll see what the markets do. But mark my words, we're gonna touch back these levels Today, don't know, but soon. Uh, soon. And it's not really trying to be predictive or a guru. It's just when you trade a pair so often, you kind of notice certain things and you notice certain patterns and habits. So we'll see. Now I liked how the moving average moved down. But I'm not gonna just let you take me out the money. Take me out the money. Oh boy. I'm really hoping it's gonna pull back and drop some more. Just get out. Just all right. Yeah, that's it for the day. Let's see what the day looks like. Yeah, a pullback. I don't know what kind of mentally I'm starting to get a little bit exhausted. I feel it. Um, Y'all saw that I was up 75 though, so you have strong, powerful days, and then you have days like this. That's the name of the game is to survive and keep learning, keep growing. Let me see what this looks like. This gap is crazy, but this could just be a retracement to keep going up or pullback. Cause you see it, they never came back down to create any lower lows. So if you zoom out, or even here, this one easier. I mean, it's pretty clear. This is all going up. Although this didn't take out this, you can see where the structure is being created where it didn't take out any lows. So you see the indication of a potential continuation back up. Based on my strategy, you kind of knew that the bulls were going to come back in at some point. I didn't know when. I'm obviously slightly discouraged. This is where you need to manage emotions and just pay attention to what's going on. And then execute. I may or may not get back into the market. I think I have enough in me where I can contain and control myself. You see where I'm at. So my next video, whether it's up or down, we'll know if I got back into the market or not. I might just stop recording, walk away from the charts for a quick second, just to give my eyes a break. And then if I see a good entry to get in on a buy, I'll take it. And it's look like it's forming, but based on what I like to look for, it's not quite there yet. And at this point, I don't want to go against the daily momentum of the bulls anymore. I had opportunity. This was 75, and then just it took off. So I'll wait this one out. Wait for my rules to kick in. Once they kick in, I'll get in on a buy. Most likely, I'll admit, but we'll see. Like I said on my last video, real authentic content, no clickbait, no anything fabricated, no pretentious or pretending to be this guru. Man, I'm a real trader just like every one of you guys. Especially if you're in your beginning traders, your beginning journey, or your beginning stages of your journey. So that might be it for this particular video. Man, follow me on IG, man. Forex King 1489. We all have our ups and downs. We all have good days, bad days. This is not the best day, but we're still gonna bounce back. We're still gonna make it to the top. I told you guys June is my come out year. I'm gonna come out month. And we're gonna continue to make it happen. All right. Well, happy Friday. Be safe. Take care of business in the markets. And we'll talk soon. Forex King out.